guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are doing a collaboration video, and this is with the group that I have previously collaborated with. Now previously we were called the Magnificent Seven, but then it dawned on us there were actually 8 people in the group, so we changed our name to Fate Made Us 8. And you guys have seen us do a video before. Our first collaboration together was our inspiration collab, where we really did our makeup and talked about who inspired us either through our makeup journey or in life in general. And in that video I had my mom join me, and it was so sweet and so special, and I was just so excited to share some just time with my mom here on my channel and also have you guys meet her as well. And so here we are again. So Fate Made Us 8 is now our new group name, and in this lovely group we have, of course, 7 other people, including myself. So we have Amanda. She is the sweetest personality that I've ever met. Honestly, she is so warm and welcoming to her channel. I love her energy. It's just so calming, and I could watch her for hours. And then we have Courtney. She's just so bubbly, so fun. Honestly, in all of her videos she does this cute little like ring the bell moment, and it just makes me smile every single time. So also make sure to check out her video. We have Jamie. She does some amazing looks. She's also very spunky. I just love her attitude. It just makes me feel so fierce when I'm watching her videos. And then we also have Kimberly. Kimberly does amazing tutorials. She does amazing palette reviews. And we also have Marley. So Marley's channel also very makeup focused. She does great ready with me's. And then we are here with Nona, and Nona, like I said, did create this group, and Nona's channel is just filled with goodies. You love hauls, you love makeup tutorials, chit chats, unboxings. And then lastly we have Sherri, and Sherri she's amazing. She is so sweet. I love her videos. They start with such an inspirational quote, which gets me just like ready for the day. I love watching her first thing in the morning just to get that quoted. So the idea for this collaboration is to recreate a look from someone that was randomly chosen. So Nona had put everyone's name in, I guess, like a jar or something, and then she picked out and paired people together. So I think that's super fun. So here we go. If you are excited, and because I am, but if you're excited to see who I was paired up with in the Fate Made Us 8 group and to see what look I chose, then please stay tuned and let's jump in. That was given to me randomly, and I am doing, drum roll, Amanda Smith. So I am super excited. So I decided to go through her YouTube and pick one of her amazing looks to recreate, and I came across her Hi, I'm Amanda video, and in this video, I mean, stunning. So I will definitely be recreating this kind of like champagne-y, purpley, very smoky, glam, using other words I can't think of to describe. It's such a pretty look. Okay, so let's dive into recreating this look inspired by Amanda Smith, and I really hope you enjoy. this look, and I had a really fun time just like going into some palettes and trying to match them just based on a picture or a video. So this was really fun, and I hope that I matched it as close as I could. Now, taking into consideration that Amanda and I are two completely different skin tones, so what shows up on her could be totally different from what shows up on me. But either way, this was super fun, and this was really a fun idea to try. So if you've ever done a recreation look, please let me know down below, because I would love to go and watch your video as well. I didn't think I'd have like this much fun with it, but it was so fun. And don't forget to check out the rest of the ladies in this collaboration and who they are paired up with. And I really can't wait to see who got paired up with me and what kind of look that they chose and how they chose to recreate it. So with that being said, that is all I have in this video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and spending a moment with me. I do appreciate it. And if you're coming back, thank you for all your love and support. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and you'll be notified on videos that I post. And yep, that is it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.